Good morning, friends. Welcome to 2020 channel. Here in the previous sessions, we learned about support roller, side bracket, for drive unit assembly. We designed a side bracket, side roller, and side plate, drive side plate. In this session, we designed base plate. In this session of tutorial, we design a base plate. Okay, a base plate. Go to Solidworks. Okay. So they open the Solidworks. Open the SolidWorks, click new part. Go to go to sheet metal. On the sheet metal, select the base plans. Select top line. Yeah, this is the top line. This is top line. This is front line. Yeah. Top line is distance. The top line of distance. It is 260. Okay, 260 by 1000. 260 by 1000. Okay, draw one rectangle here. And give a smart dimension. Here is 260. And this is 1000. Okay, and make it right click. Okay, exit this page. And thickness of this sheet is a 3 mm. Make it a thickness of sheet is a 3 mm. And reverse direction. Okay, reverse direction. Reverse direction. Reverse. 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 Okay. Make it. Okay. You need it. Then here there is an edge here. That is a 102. And this is 32. Make it. Select edge plans. Select this edge and make it downward. Again select this edge, make it downward. Okay. And give the distance that is 120. 120. Okay. Make it and for this is end condition, outer virtual shape. Outer. This is a inner virtual shape. Inner, that is inner. From taking outward. This is tangent band. Okay. Yeah, make it. This is inside material inside band. Material inside band. Okay. When you not inside band. You click the right click. Make it a radius. Radius will be inside radius. Is default radius now. It is make it a 2. Okay. Thickness will be 2 and the radius inside will be 2 also. Okay. And make it a again select edge plane and select this edge. This will be up to 32. Make it to 32. Okay. Revert direction. Also select another edge. Select this edge. Okay. Go to edge there. Select this edge. Okay. Here make it a 32. Reverse direction. This edge. Okay. Make it right click. Okay. Radius will be. Change the default radius. Yes, radius. Make it a right click. Okay. Again here there is one cutout. Dimension will be 450 on the center. Center to center is 450 and this is a 5. Okay, this is whole soul cutout. Okay, whole soul cutout. And that's how this is. And here is one cutout is there. Here, here is cutout 60. Here also 60. Okay, 60, 60. That's 120. Okay, we add one cutout is there. Go to it says here extruder cutout. Select this space and make it one rectangle. Center with a rectangle. See this pointer, this pointer, and make it give a small dimension. It is a 10 this 10, and this is for 50, for 50. Okay, and extruded cut, all solid extruded cut. Exit this case. And up to next, to all, make it a right click. Okay, this cutout will be added. Again, one cutout is there. Here, one cutout is there. Select extruded cutout. Select this. Draw one rectangle from this point to this way. Just take it this way. Okay. Again, here one also. One cutout is there. Okay. Here one also cutout. You right click. Give a smart dimension. That is 120. Yes, 120. Or we also made a 160 also we can made it, but we're taking the center point. That's this need will 60. The center to this distance will be 60. We made it. Oh no, point is horizontal. Delete it. Select this line. Escape it. Yes, select this line. This will be 120 also. Both are 120. 120. Okay. Now make a this dimension will be given. This dimension will be 260 minus 400. 260 minus 400. That will be 256. Yes, 256. Yes. This is the right. This is the right. This is not right. This coincident will be deleted. Okay. Firstly, those small cancel it. This will be deleted. I can give the small dimension. This will 256. Enter it. Okay, make it right click. Exit the sketch. Okay, and it's still up to next. Look up to next. Okay, make it right click. Okay, I will design like this. Okay, so here also one cutout is there. Here, this is one cutout is there. This one. This is the 41-degree cutout. And the height of this is a 29.1. 29.1. Okay, and give the all corners to the radius 4. All corners to the radius 4. And this is the 29.1. Okay, and here the edge is there. The distance is 20.1 and 10 degree. Okay, 10 degree, that is select edge flange. Select this one and make here again, and this one here. Here give the distance that is 21. and angle will be 10 degree. Okay, and take it from inside or outside. Here to here is that is outside. Take from outside. No, that is yes. Outer is this outer, this will look like that. Make it right click. Okay, but give the radius of this is change the default radius as a as a 2 mm. Okay, make it right click. Okay, and add one other cut. Extruder cut select. Select this space. Again, draw one rectangle, one triangle. Okay, the distance of triangle from here to here is 250. Select here on this one line. Here to select this line. This okay, this again opposite of this. Select here one, here one, here one, here one. Skip it and give the smart dimension. That is where it will be. Height will be height 14 degree. This is 29.1. This small dimension. This point this column. This column. 29.1. These also. Here this 29.1. Okay. And I give here dimension one also. This to this point. If it even 5. Even 5 is correct. Even 5 is correct. Okay. Again here one also. Give this point with this point 215. Enter it. Okay. Make a right click. Okay. This is the sketch. This sketch. Exit the sketch. That is through all like it. Okay. This will create a give her a material that is AISI 304. Apply it, close it. In the next session, we can see how to add the holes. Okay, how to add the holes. Save it as a side plate, base plate. Save as a base plate. Save as a base plate. Okay, save it. Thank you. Thank you, friends.